Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show battery percentage and status bar on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to battery. In battery, okay, in power management, you can see the battery percentage. And okay guys, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, show battery percentage in status bar. And okay guys, you'll have to do to show the battery percentage is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully showed the battery percentage in status bar on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.